Honda just released the refreshed 2026 Pilot, and the changes go way deeper than the typical mid-cycle facelift, as this update addresses nearly every complaint owners had about the outgoing model. If you're trying to decide whether to buy the current Pilot at a discount or wait for the new one, understanding these 5 differences will make that decision crystal clear. These aren't just cosmetic tweaks. Honda fixed real problems that affected your daily driving experience, and one of these changes alone might be worth the wait. Number 5. Styling updates make it look way more aggressive. The 2026 Pilot is getting a visual overhaul that transforms its road presence from mild-mannered family hauler to something with genuine attitude. Honda's design team reworked the front end to create a bolder, more purposeful look that finally matches the SUV's capability. The most dramatic change happens at the front fascia, where the new Pilot adopts a more squared-off grille design with a prominent black mesh pattern that stretches wider than before. The new grille opening provides better airflow while giving the SUV a more planted, confident stance. The headlight units have been reshaped with a sharper, more angular design that integrates LED daytime running lights in a distinctive pattern. New body cladding provides more visual mass around the wheel arches. If you've ever cringed at scratches and dings from trail debris or tight parking spaces, this black plastic trim offers practical protection while making the wheel openings appear larger and more substantial. At the rear, Honda redesigned the taillights with a new LED signature that wraps further around the rear fenders. The bumper gets more defined edges and a beefier lower section with larger exhaust outlets. Even the roof rails have been updated with a more robust design that can actually handle serious cargo loads. Honda found the sweet spot between aggressive and approachable, creating an SUV that looks ready for adventure but won't intimidate your kids' friends when you're doing the carpool run. But a bold exterior means nothing if the cabin doesn't match that energy, which is exactly where Honda made some of their most significant updates. Number 4. Interior updates bring modern tech to every trim. The new infotainment screen measures 9 inches in lower trims and stretches to 10.2 inches in upper models, replacing the old setup that felt cramped and outdated. Anyone who's tried to read navigation directions on a small screen while driving at highway speeds knows how frustrating that can be. You end up leaning forward, losing focus on the road, and second-guessing every turn. The larger display solves this problem completely, showing maps and directions in clear, easy-to-read detail. The system now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard equipment. Perhaps even more significant is the addition of a fully digital instrument cluster that becomes standard equipment across the range. Gone are the old-school analog gauges. In their place sits a large 10.2-inch digital cluster with numerous customization options. Honda also upgraded the sound system across the lineup, with even base models now featuring an 8-speaker setup. Upper trims get a premium 12-speaker system that rivals what you'd find in luxury SUVs, costing significantly more. The 2026 Pilot finally feels like it belongs in the same conversation as newer competitors. Of course, modern screens and digital clusters are impressive, but they're worthless if the actual driving experience feels dated. And that's where Honda's engineering team really went to work. Number 3. Improved driving experience through better refinement. Honda's engineers spent considerable time refining the 2026 Pilot's driving dynamics, focusing on the details that matter during real-world use. The changes aren't about adding horsepower. Instead, Honda addressed the specific areas where the outgoing model fell short compared to newer competitors. The most noticeable improvement comes from enhanced sound insulation throughout the cabin. Honda added extra sound-deadening material in critical areas like the firewall, door panels, and wheel wells. If you've ever finished a long highway drive feeling mentally exhausted, you know it's not just the miles. It's the constant battle against wind roar and tire hum. The 2026 Pilot attacks this problem directly, creating a quieter cabin where conversations flow naturally and phone calls remain clear even at 75 miles per hour. Honda also retuned the electric power steering system to provide better road feel and more natural weight buildup through corners. The old system worked fine for parking lots and straight highways, but it felt numb when you tried to hustle the Pilot through a curvy mountain road. The new calibration gives drivers more confidence and better feedback when the road gets interesting. The suspension received subtle tweaks as well, with Honda adjusting the damper valuation to better control body motion over rough surfaces without sacrificing ride comfort. The result is an SUV that handles expansion joints and potholes with more composure while still delivering the comfortable ride that Pilot buyers expect. The 2026 Pilot feels more upscale and mature than the outgoing model, closing the gap with premium competitors. But refinement and technology upgrades mean little if your Pilot looks identical to every other one on the road, which brings us to Honda's most visible personalization update. Number 2. New color options across the range. One standout addition is a deep forest green metallic that gives the Pilot a sophisticated, outdoorsy vibe. This color works particularly well with the SUV's new rugged styling, emphasizing the wheel arch cladding and making the black trim pieces pop. It's the kind of color that photographs well but looks even better in person, with metallic flakes that catch the light differently depending on the angle. Honda is also adding a bronze or copper metallic option that brings warmth and personality to the lineup. This color bridges the gap between the boring beiges of the past and the flashy oranges some competitors offer. It's distinctive without being polarizing. Buyers spending $40,000 to $60,000 on a family SUV want something that reflects their personality and stands out from the sea of identical vehicles in every parking lot. However, picking the right color is only half the battle. What really matters is what features you're actually getting for your money, and that's where Honda made the biggest change of all. Number 1. Reshuffled features lists put more tech in base trims. Honda has completely reorganized which features come standard on each trim level, pushing equipment that used to be reserved for expensive packages down to lower price points. The power rear liftgate, which previously required buying a mid-level trim or expensive option package, now comes standard across the entire Pilot lineup. Anyone who's juggled grocery bags, a diaper bag, and a struggling toddler while trying to manually lift a heavy tailgate knows this feature isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Honda finally recognizes this reality, making the power liftgate standard on every single Pilot. Upper trims now include 360-degree camera views as standard equipment rather than burying them in option packages. This surround view system makes parking in tight spaces dramatically easier. The system is particularly valuable in the school pickup line, where having clear visibility of the vehicles and kids surrounding your SUV can prevent those slow-speed collisions that cost hundreds in body shop repairs. Interior trim quality has been upgraded across the board, with materials that used to be reserved for the top trims now appearing in mid-level models. This includes softer dashboard materials, upgraded door panel coverings, and better quality plastics throughout the cabin. The difference is most noticeable in the touch points, areas you interact with daily, like the armrests, door pulls, and center console lid. The sound insulation improvements are also now standard across every trim level. This democratization of features means that even if you're buying a base Pilot to stay within budget, you're still getting an SUV that feels refined and well-equipped rather than stripped down. Honda also standardized more advanced safety features across the lineup. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking all come standard now, giving every Pilot buyer access to the same advanced driver assistance systems regardless of how much they spend. The wheel designs have been updated too, with new styles that provide more visual interest while maintaining functionality. Even the base wheels look more substantial and upscale than the cheap-looking options that used to signal you'd bought the entry-level trim. The 2026 Pilot no longer forces you to stretch your budget to get features that should be standard on a modern family SUV. Honda has finally acknowledged that in today's market, buyers expect more equipment at lower price points, and they've adjusted the Pilot's lineup accordingly. The refreshed 2026 Honda Pilot proves that mid-cycle updates don't have to be shallow. When executed properly, they can transform a good SUV into a great one. The aggressive new styling gives it road presence that was missing before. The modern tech finally brings it up to par with younger competitors. The improved refinement makes every drive more pleasant. The expanded color palette adds personality, and the democratized feature list delivers better value at every trim level. These aren't minor tweaks. They're meaningful improvements that address real complaints from real owners, making the 2026 Pilot a significantly better choice than the model it replaces. Still, don't think that the Pilot is the only Japanese mid-size SUV coming with big updates. Therefore, make sure to check out our next video about the key changes on the 2026 Nissan Pathfinder. Known for great comfort and a well-equipped cabin, this SUV gets even more features and mechanical updates that will certainly improve its market position.